students, welcome to All Rounder Mathematics channel. Now I am going to explain trigonometry 11th chapter exercise 11.2 question number 6. In triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y. YZ is equal to X and XZ is equal to 2X. Then determine angle YXZ and angle YZX. Okay, they given. Okay, now whatever they given data, according to that we have to draw the first right angle triangle. Okay, first right angle triangle. Like this way. What they given? First, the right angle is at Y. First, if you write Y here, one problem will be solved. YZ is equal to X, Y, Z, X. Okay. What are the angles we have to find out? XZ is equal to 2X, and then determine Y angle YXZ means X middle letter shows angle, and second one angle YZX means Z. Z is middle letter, that's why Z is the acute one of the acute angle given in triangle XYZ. Right angle is at Y means angle Y is equal to 90 degree, and what they given side XZ is equal YZ is equal to X, and XZ is equal to 2X they given. And what we have to find out the angles? This one and this one angles we have to find out. See, they given sides, but this one is, if you take adjacent side, this one as opposite side, this one as visual hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side we know, adjacent we don't know, hypotenuse we know. Mean adjacent side we have to find out. What is from Pythagoras theorem we have to find out. What is Pythagoras theorem? Adjacent square plus opposite square is equal to hypotenuse square. Otherwise, hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite side square. Right? From that, what we have to find out? X, Y. And one more thing, XY square is equal to, एक छोटा साइड फाइंड करना बोले तो ये बड़ा साइड, हाइपोटेनस इज लॉन्गेस्ट साइड है ना, ये बड़ा सा लॉन्गेस्ट साइड से वन मोर अनदर शॉर्टेस्ट साइड सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया तो रिमाइनिंग short side we can get find. Okay, XY square is equal to XZ square minus, what a long side square minus one of the short side, YZ square by Pythagoras theorem. ये step 1 you take as step 1. Okay, XY square is equal to XZ. What is there? XZ value 2X. Square is there, that's why you have to write square minus YZ square. YZ value X. Square is there, that's why you have to write whole square. Now 2X square means 2X into 2X whole square is equal to 2X into 2X, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, X into X, X square. Okay, X square. Got it? Means 4X square minus X square is equal to 3X square. XY square is equal to 3X square. XY is equal to, इधर स्क्वायर जाना बोलते ये साइड स्क्वायर रूट आता, राइट? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3x square, that is xy is equal to root 3x. How see x स्क्वायर रूट 3 इंटू ऐसा लिख लें, राइट। स्क्वायर रूट चले गए तो रूट 3 एज इट इज आता, x एक इंच ऐसा आ जाता। ओके, नाउ रूट एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू रूट 3x, एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू रूट 3x आ गया। नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट मा angle YXZ means now we can take tan, also we can take, because three sides measurements we know now, tan x also we take, or sin also we can take, cos also we can take. I am taking here tan in step 2. Okay, tan x is equal to tan side trigonometry sides ratio is, what is that? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is that? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, according to that, x opposite side is, angle x opposite side is YZ by adjacent XY. Y Z by x y, that is equal to tan x is equal to y z वैल्यू कितना है x, ये x y वैल्यू रूट 3x, x by रूट 3x, x वन जार, what is left? 1 by रूट 3, tan x is equal to 1 by, tan x is equal to 1 by root 3, x is equal to tan 1 by root 3, tan में कब आता बोले तो tan 30 वैल्यू 1 by root 3 means tan x is equal to tan 30, x is equal to 30 degree, right? X is equal to tan, x means here, what is that? X means angle YXZ, angle YXZ, x means here angle YXZ. Next step 3. In step 3 what we have to find out? Angle YZX. Now we have to take Z as an acute angle, Z as an acute angle, Z again, and tan Z is equal to, tan Z is equal to, tan Z opposite side is, what is that? X, Y, tan adjacent, Z adjacent side is Y, Z, Y, Z, that is equal to, XY value what is there? Root 3 x by root 3x by x. X1s are we can cancel that. Now tan z is equal to, tan z is equal to root 3 means tan z is equal to root 3, tan root 3 कब आता? tan 60, tan में root 3 कब आता? tan 60 value. Z is equal to, what is that? 60 degree. Z means here, therefore angle, what is that? YZX. YZX is equal to 60 degree. Like this way we have to find out. Okay. This is the answer. Once again you see what they given. According to triangle XYZ, they given angle Y is equal to 90 degree. YZ value they given, XZ also they given. We find XY value, right? Again, from that Pythagoras theorem, XY value we find. From these values, three sides measurements we find. Again, we have to substitute. Tan x I am taking. Tan x I am taking here. You can take sin, cos also. Tan is the easiest for you. That's why I am taking tan. Tan x is equal to YZ by XY. Tan x is equal to YZ value and XY value substituted. So cancel. X1s are cancel. then 1 by root 3 tan x is equal to 1 by root 3 means tan x is equal to 1 by root 3 कब आता tan में 30 tan 30 में आता इसलिए 30 degrees x y z is equal to x value we have to find out angle x value that's why 30 degrees again in step 3 tan z is equal to x y by y z x y by y z opposite side these values I substituted x1 are cancel root 3 left remaining root 3 tan में कब आता tan 60 के वैल्यू root 3 इसलिए tan z is equal to tan 60 z is equal to 60 degrees therefore z is the middle letter of the angle that's why angle y z x is equal to 60 degrees okay students thank you